Hello, today I'm going to share a simple trick video regarding to Bleutooth Realme Neckband Sound Problem. Calling sound is okay, but media sound not working after calling. Sound is not working properly. Step 1. Just disconnect the device and reconnect it and press R or middle button in the Realme Neckband. Press R button quickly at multiple times and hold some time and do it for some minute. Keep pressing repeated for around 1 minute. Don't keep on hold while pressing. Step 2. Disconnect the device and unpair the device and pair it again and do the same. Step